Welcome back. This week we celebrate my birthday, we get our new tender and we inspect our sails.
Subscribe to join us and our travels as we share our life on the sea.
It's birthday breakfast, but it is getting on. It is a bit later because we're a little bit jet lagged. We didn't get in till late last night. It's been a big 5 days for us, travelling, boat showing and all the rest of it. And Bella just wanted to have her birthday breakfast and share it with her dada.
I'm sure there's one
two forks and all. How do you feel, Belle? Do you feel like a big kid now?
I was late to be born, right?
Mm-hmm.
That means if I was born when I was meant to be, I'd already be 16.
We love birthdays. It's when all the good food comes out.
Happy birthday to Bella. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hip hip.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one
16 years old and what an incredible person you are already. It is a pleasure to be your mum and to see the way you shine your light on the world. Happy birthday, beautiful girl.
dreaming of you.
So it's Bella's birthday, Boxing Day. We like to celebrate about 3 days of birthday. Yesterday she wasn't feeling the best, we were all a little bit tired, so we didn't do much more today, but we just went to the shop and at least got some food. Bella is just doing up a, what do you call it, Bella? I don't know what she said.
I didn't make that up.
It's a cheese board, is what I thought. But there's a name and it's a charcuterie board. I'm just kidding. Charcuterie. I still don't know what she's talking about, but. And I'm gonna make some lasagna tonight. So what I've done is I just boiled some pumpkin and I'm gonna mush that up a bit, put some spinach with it, just some frozen spinach because that's what I've got. Melt some butter, cook out some flour in there. I do about the same amount of flour and butter, and usually it's about 1 or 2 tablespoons, and then I just pour in milk. I usually use coconut milk, but we're using real milk because we can, because we're in America and everything is just here and ready and we can buy whatever we want. So then you just cook it until it starts to thicken up, and then I add some cheese. Sometimes I put Parmesan cheese in there, depends on your feeling. Got a little bit of cheese in there. Alright, so I just put the frozen spinach in with that and steamed it for like not very long. Then I'm just going to mash it all up together. And instead, I'm not making my tomato. I usually put like bolognese sauce in with the lasagna, but we're not going to tonight. We're putting salmon in there, so I'm just going to run the creamy cheese sauce and pumpkin and spinach. Beautiful. Okay, so then I'm just going to lay it like you do when you make lasagna. I'm going to put this as a bottom pumpkin layer, and then I will sprinkle half the basil,
It's getting thick.
some cheese in there. Then I am just going to pour bechamel on top of this layer. There. Make it extra creamy cream. Hot smoked salmon, not the normal smoked salmon. It's got like cracked peppercorn and mustard seeds and some lemon. And then I'm just going to sprinkle that on top of the bechamel sauce. Put another layer of pasta. And we'll do it again. A little bit of basil, sprinkle that on in there. It's our last layer of pasta. And the rest of your sauce. Bechamel sauce. Ooh. Did you taste it?
No.
Oh, you scared me. I thought I was doing something wrong. Tastes good, luckily, because it would have been a little bit late if it didn't. So we're going to spread it all out, all over the... Grate the cheese. And I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I usually cook it for probably about half an hour, 40 minutes, depending on your oven, but we're going to eat some cheese and crackers until it's ready. There it is. Salmon, pumpkin and spinach lasagna.
Komikoto knives. These knives are like the best knives we've ever had in our kitchen. They are Japanese steel. They are so sharp. I've got to be careful not to cut my fingers off. They are individually inspected and have a lifetime guarantee. Lifetime guarantee, people. Anyway, I'm going to get chopping my extra sharp knife. See, this is hard. Pumpkins are hard to cut, but these knives actually make it like possible. Like, this is a great present because it comes in its own box. Like, it comes in these awesome wooden boxes. You can get $50 off by using the discount code Catalpa50.
Kamikoto is always running great deals, and to go check them out, you can go to the link on the screen.
Look at my beautiful chopping skills. I don't know what I've done, but like, what is this? Like, we're not making fries.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, I nearly dropped it. Look at that. Oh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy.
It's like a flame.
Alright, so Bella had a cake last night, but we didn't have any candles and we couldn't go buy any, so she's having her candles in her lasagna tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella.
Happy
birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray! Hooray! Is that the first time you've ever had a lasagna cake?
Oh, Mum, I think that's wax. Because the lasagna was hot.
Mama.
Oh,
That is
sorry.
like...
So this morning Lee's got the mizzen up, and we'd only brought it up a little bit so far, and it looks like the top just has been hanging out for so long, so the top of the sail's no good, but we just pulled it up and it looks brand new. So
This one's looking sad down here too.
just the edges. So it's got potential, we could potentially just get it or fix it ourselves, but
Outside edge.
it's because it's been the weather.
Yeah, but that shouldn't have. This looks like...
The middle of the sail looks brand new, but the very top and the outside of it is like...
Yeah.
got to still, we found a solar company that we can buy our solar from. So we've got to order that when we're ready, which we're still figuring out. We're going back and forth between like putting an arch on the back. We'd love to put a hard top on here, but financially at the moment we just don't know if that's possible. So yeah, we're getting there. We've got to do our batteries, solar, get our power sorted. Next we put up the mainsail all the way. Yep, we did put it all the way up, but the camera got overheated, so it turned off. But overall, the mainsail looked in pretty good condition as well.
Yes, my hair is half braided. Mum is just doing something, but it will be done any second. So today we're getting back into some boat work, and first things first, you got to get your hair braided. And then I'm not sure what we're going to do today. There's a lot of jobs where our tender, our Highfield tender, it has arrived and we've just got to go pick it up. I don't know, like today or tomorrow sometime. So that is like so exciting. And yeah, I'm just watching our latest video where Mum braids our hair, my hair. My hair is all done and we just got the message that our tender is ready to be picked up. So what we're doing today is we're going to get our new tender, which is so exciting. So let's go get our brand new Highfield tender that's a little bit bigger than our old one, which we loved. And so this one is just going to be so great and I can't wait till we get to go exploring in it.
We're just super psyched. We're so happy to have another Highfield. We loved our old tender and let's go and get it!
Alright, it's Highfield time. I'm just going to go and get Paul, and Paul's going to take us down, and he has a tray back, or like a ute we'd call it in Australia, and we're going to plonk it in the back and see how we go. Try and bring it back.
Excited?
She's a bloody ripper. Look at that.
It's on. It's in. We're going to follow him back and make sure it doesn't fall out. I'm going to fall off.
Oh, I hope not.
Oh, they tied it down pretty nicely. We made it! That was super sweet. Those people just helped us.
Well,
why don't we put it here and see what it looks like? So good news, we wanted to see if the boat would fit, our tender or our dinghy would fit on the front of our boat, and so far, so good.
Careful.
So we moved these stainless steel poles so that we didn't pop the tender. But we got my toe. But we didn't pop the tender, so it's okay. I'll take one for the team.
At least you'll heal.
So my room absolutely stinks of like cigarettes because I think the previous owner used to smoke in my room. So like the mattress and stuff, we're working on getting new mattresses and stuff, but if anyone has any like idea of how to get like the smell out, that would be like great. Comment down below, because I like have to lift my bed up to get everything. Not everything, just like sometimes we need stuff to get out. Right now my hatch is shut because the tender's on the deck, but my room just stinks of this cigarette smell. So I mean, I read somewhere that putting like baking soda and vinegar, so I've done that and just like sit it, but like I hate the smell and it gives me like a headache. And yeah, the mattress, and I probably, when we get a new mattress, I'll get new sheets because like it's really old, but it's just like holding this cigarette smell. So if anyone has any ideas of how to get it out, much appreciated. You can comment down below.